What is up guys, this is TSD Reviews and stuff back here with another video, and today I will be doing an unboxing and a comparison of the Caseology Vault case with the Spigen rugged armor. Now I'm doing this because I felt that the Caseology Vault and Spigen rugged armor were quite similar. As a matter of fact, since Caseology is a sister brand of Spigen, it will be pretty fun to compare the two and see which one is better for you. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Now the price for this is around 1000 rupees if I'm not wrong. So pretty much the same as the Spigen rugged armor. So let's see which one is better. So let's take a look at this. Let's just see at the box first. So it says Pixel 4a Caseology Vault. Alright. At the back, nothing much. See Spigen branding. That's the parent company. So let's open this up. Welcome to the club. We're happy to have you. Nice. I wish Spigen also did the same thing. It's pretty weird that it did not do the same. Now, first of all, just right off the bat, the texture at the back is so good. It is a grainy texture which is so much more prominent compared to your Spigen rugged armor. This already feels so much better. Now, this is a TPU type case, so it's pretty flexible, and it has the shock absorption pattern inside, which is nice. Inside it says Caseology Vault series for Google. Let's take a look at the sides. So unlike the rugged armor, let me just take this cover off. Unlike the rugged armor, this does not have the side pattern that's for providing the grip. That's one difference I already see. And you have your headphone jack cut out at the top, your mic, secondary noise cancellation mic, and you have your fingerprint sensor cut out, your camera module cut out, power button and volume button, and your USB-C and your speaker grills and your microphone. So that's pretty nice. Let's put this phone in. Alright guys, so just holding this phone, I feel that this one is so much more premium. I mean, in terms of the feeling you get with the phone, the Caseology Vault just feels so much more premium. Especially the back texture, that gives you a really nice grip and a really premium feel. The buttons, they are pretty clicky. So I guess there's the same amount of clickiness when compared to your Spigen rugged armor. So that's a good thing. And your fingerprint sensor lines out perfectly. Your camera module and your rest of the ports are aligned perfectly as well. Now you do have your Spigen, your Caseology small logo. So that's a nice touch. And you have this nice texture at the top of the camera module. Something like what Spigen has. So that's a pretty good thing. Like, it does not have the same carbon fiber trim as the Spigen rugged armor does, but seriously, it doesn't really matter. To be honest, I'm not a big fan of carbon fiber, but oh my god, like this feels just so good. Now the edges are quite raised. Let me just make you see it. I think you can see it now. The lip protection and the edges are pretty much raised quite exactly like the like the Spigen rugged armor. So that's not a big difference. But what I do notice is that the thickness of the edges and your corners, they are more broader compared to your rugged armor. Now the rugged armor, the lips are quite thin, to be honest. Like from the top you can notice that's quite thin, whereas the Caseology Vault, this has really like broad edges. That's a good thing, to be honest, because it will provide a bigger surface area for the phone to rest compared to your Spigen rugged armor. So like I'm just getting started, right? I've just used this case for a minute, and I can already see how much better this case is compared to your rugged armor. And actually, this phone is not mine. This is my dad's Pixel 4a. So I have my Pixel 4. That's what I'm recording with. So like I'm just loving this case so much that I think I'll buy the same case for my phone too. Everything about this case is really nice, to be honest. Right, it does not add a lot of weight, and neither it makes your phone bulky. And on top of that, like your rugged armor does not provide you with enough protection for your camera module, so it can get scratched easily, whereas this one has raised lips for the camera module, and it's quite deep if you see it carefully, and that's already a lot better than the rugged armor. So yeah, I'm really loving this case. You do have your small Caseology branding on the side. So, and I guess that's pretty much it with the case. It's a really good looking case. Initially, I was quite skeptical of going with this case because, and first of all, I never heard of Caseology until now. I didn't know that it was a sister brand of Caseology prior to buying the case for the sealed by Cyril case for the Pixel 4a, which I've already done a review on. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it with the initial impressions. Already I can see that this case is a lot better than the rugged armor in many areas, like I've already mentioned. They're quite similar in a few, but like overall I feel that the Caseology Vault takes the win. That being said, Spigen rugged armor is not bad. It's actually, when I got this case, I was really in love with this. I thought this would be my main case until I got this one. So yeah, if you're unable to find the Caseology Vault for the Pixel 4a, this rugged armor isn't a bad choice, to be honest. It has pretty much the same features like this Caseology Vault, except for a few of them, like I've already mentioned. But I mean, overall, these two are great cases. But personally, I do prefer the Caseology Vault, and I've just used it for a few minutes, and I can already say that. So yeah, by the way, if you want to check the initial impression of this case, which I've done in a lot more detail, then you can just click the card right here. So guys, that's pretty much it with the unboxing and initial impressions. I hope you like this video, and now you can actually decide which one to get. And if you like this video, you know the drill, you know what to do, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.